This is the AKASO ultra lightweight 4K vlog camera. Let's take it out of the box. Here are some features that the camera has listed on the side of the box here. And they did a very nice job packaging this, so let's take it out of there. In the box you get a quick start guide. There is a link in there to download the full manual. You get the camera itself here on a stand. This has adhesive on it, so you can stick it down if you want. And this can swivel, and it can tilt as well, like that. They give you other mounts for it. This one is like a clip mount. This one is a magnetic mount, which is stuck to the thing there. And this is like a rubberized keychain type mount right there. And they also give you the cable, USB cable. It's USB to USB-C. So pulling the camera out, really not much to speak of. There are two buttons, one on each side there. And at the bottom is a little hatch where you can put a micro SD card. I have one installed already. It does not come with it. Looks to be a reset hole there and the USB-C charge. Now this uses the AKASO Go app, and in order to do that we have to put the camera in a particular mode. Once we turn it on, press the button till we get a yellow light, and then we go over to Wi-Fi. Here it is right here. So we'll go ahead and connect to that. Default password is 12345678990, and that should connect up. There we are. We'll select keychain camera from the list, and because we've already connected, we'll hit live preview. I do need to charge it, but there I am right there. And under settings you can set the resolution, the wind noise reduction, image stabilization. It also has a fill light, which I'll show in a minute. Auto shutdown, white balance, date stamp, all kinds of great stuff here. So now the camera is recording. I've recharged the battery some, and I'm going to just switch right over to this now. The app itself, you can control the camera with it, but of course you can also press the buttons on the camera itself to control it. So here we are with the AKASO 4K camera, and as you can see it has a very nice field of view. So even as I stretch my arms out, you can actually still see that because it has a very wide angle of view, and it does very nicely. Let's come over here, and I'm just going to grab my phone here so I can see what's going on. And here's some of my detergent collection here. You can see the color reproduction is very, very accurate with it. And while there's not that much daylight left, there should be enough for me to take you around and show you what it looks like outside. Pretty low light out here, not too bad. The sun is just about set, but we still have 15 or 20 minutes of daylight. Not too much going on here on this fall day, but certainly the camera does a very nice job. Now there's very, very low light here. I have the room lights turned out, and all you can see is just a faint glow of me, as there is an orange bulb, small orange bulb behind the camera. But this camera has a built-in fill light on it. If we press and hold the button here, the fill light turns on. And by no means perfect, it certainly will help for those really dark shots if this is the only light that you have. Using the fill light, you can see some of this stuff. This is just with the fill light it has. Just a very, very small light, just for helping a little bit for close-up shots, like a selfie type thing. So a very handy, easy to carry around camera with how small it is. Again, it pops out of the holder here. You can put it in that keychain thing that it comes with. And that really protects it nice. It actually comes over the front face of it. So even if it's set down, it's actually on the rubber and not on the camera itself. It works pretty well. And, you know, again, you can attach that to your keys, and it's, you know, seems to be pretty good. You can still access the buttons on it and even see the light through it. So once again, this was the AKASO 4K vlog camera.